Hello my beautiful viewers, my first video for today, a Haagen Dazs duo, vanilla brownie and raspberry crunch. Right, so let's give this a taste test, see what it's like. Yeah. Right. Got a second at the egg. Says it's new. So see the crunchy bits there. Oh. Well, just 1 second. Wow. What can I say about that? Haagen Dazs duo, vanilla brownie and raspberry crunch. Well, you know my marking system, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 we go starting off the charts. Well, I'm disappointed. Quite disappointed with this, to be perfectly honest with you. Vanilla brownie, I can't taste any of that. And you saw me eating quite a bit of it. Raspberry crunch, there's a little bit of crunch there. Not a strong taste of raspberry at all, to be perfectly honest with you. Do you know what? I give honest reviews, as you know, ladies and gentlemen. I have had better homemade ice cream that I made myself than that. You know, than that. And we're dealing with quality ice cream here. Haagen Dazs and Ben & Jerry's is quality ice cream. But that is, well, I can't believe I'm giving a Haagen Dazs such a low score, to be perfectly honest with you. It's a 3.5 out of 10, that is. Yes, a Haagen Dazs ice cream can't even, this Haagen Dazs ice cream can't even make a 5 out of 10. It's a 3.5 out of 10. It's a bloody disaster for a Haagen Dazs ice cream, a bloody disaster. What would I say? You can't taste the vanilla brownie. The raspberries, you can hardly taste it. A little bit of crunch. It's a bloody disaster. It's smooth, don't get me wrong. That's one of the reasons I've given it a 3.5 out of 10. Would I buy it again? Never. No chance. Not in a bloody million years. It's a bloody disaster. Don't waste your money on that one. Absolute disaster. Anyway, see you on the next one.